So brothers and sisters, today we are going to learn how we can use the left, middle and right function in Microsoft Excel. The left, mid and right function in Excel are used to extract one or more characters from a specified text string. So we're going to start with the left function, and we're going to use a sample of the word New York. So in the left function, this returns the specified number of leftmost characters from a string, and the syntax is going to be, so here what we're going to do, we're going to first type left, then we shall put here middle, and then we shall put here right. So the syntax for left is that we're going to type equal sign and then type the function left. Then when this one returns the specified number of characters from the start of the string, of the text string. So after typing the function, open the parenthesis and type the text, which is C4. After typing the text C4, put a comma and put the number of characters. So how many number of characters do we want? As you see the word new, there are 3 characters. So I'll go ahead and type 3 and close the bracket. Once I press enter, now I will see the word new. Let's go to the middle. On the middle, we are going to say equal sign and type the mid function. This one will return the number of characters from the mid of a text string given a starting position and the length. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say mid function, open the parenthesis, and then I'm going to put the text, which is New York. I'll put a comma, then I'll say starting number. Starting number, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count from the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to put 5. Then I'll put how many characters do I want. The number of characters of this word York, of course there are 4 characters, so I type 4 and then I close the bracket, press enter, and then you see the word York. Let's go to the right function. In the right function, type equal sign and type the function name right. This one returns the specified number of characters from the end of a string. Select the function and open the parenthesis and select the word New York. Put a comma and put the number of characters, and here I'm going to say 2 characters because I want to bring NY. Then close the bracket and press enter, and then you see the word New York. So this is how we can use the left, middle and right function to extract one or more characters from a specified text strings. So after learning how to do that, I'm going to give you the chance. Go ahead and use these functions in your dataset. See how they are used and apply them in our everyday life. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next video.